Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into Deepin OS 25, one of the most beautiful and Windows-like Linux operating system out there. I'll show you what's new in Deepin 25, how it performs on normal PC, and then I'll guide you step by step how to install it properly. So if you're looking for a smooth, modern alternative to Windows, let's get started. So, this is the main desktop of Deepin OS 25. First thing you'll notice is how clean and modern everything looks. At the bottom, you get a taskbar where you can pin your favorite app just like Windows. On the left side, there is a launcher button that works like start menu. Click it and you will see all your installed applications. You can also search anything instantly. One thing I really like here is the overall smoothness. The animations feel polished and everything opens quickly without lag. Let's check out with Control Center. This is honestly one of the best parts of Deepin. From here, you can control Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, brightness, volume level, airplane mode, and even screen recording. All in one place. And because the interface is so simple, you don't need to be a Linux expert. Even if you've never used Linux before, you can still use Deepin comfortably. Now let's open the App Store. Deepin comes with its own App Store, where you can install new apps and update existing ones easily. You can search by name, browse categories, and install apps with just one click. Another great thing is that Deepin already includes many useful apps pre-installed, like Browser, Office Tools, Media Players, and System Utilities. So right after installation, your system is basically ready to use. Deepin also gives you solid customization options. You can change themes, switch between dark and light mode, move the dock, and adjust how the taskbar behaves. So you can set everything up exactly the way you like. In Deepin 25, you also get a system-level AI assistant that's built directly right into the desktop. Just click on it, agree terms and conditions, and get to use. You don't need to install any extra AI apps. Just go to the configuration section, add an online model, and activate it. Overall, Deepin 25 feels like a complete operating system. Simple, smooth, and beginner-friendly. Now I'll show you how to install Deepin OS 25 properly on a PC. Don't worry, the steps are very simple, and I'll explain everything clearly, so even a beginner can play along. First, download official Deepin 25 ISO file from Deepin.org. Go to download section and grab the latest Deepin 25 desktop ISO file. Wait here to complete the download. Once the ISO file is downloaded, we need to create a bootable USB drive. I recommend using Ventoy because it's one of the latest and easiest tool for beginners. So to download Ventoy, search Ventoy. And here is the link. And download Windows version from the download section. Once everything's downloaded, close the browser. Now go to download folder, extract the Ventoy and install it on Windows. Now insert a pen drive to your computer minimum 8 GB in size. Click on this icon. Now choose your pen drive here. Click on install. Click yes. Again yes. It's done. Close it. After that, open File Explorer. Go to this PC. Here you will see Ventoy drive is created. Go to download. Simply copy the Deepin 25 ISO file into the USB. That's it. Your bootable USB is ready. Now these steps only require if you want dual boot with Windows. If you're installing Deepin as your main OS, you can skip this part. Since I want to install dual boot, I need to create a new drive. To create a new drive, right-click on the Start menu, select Disk Management, right-click on your main drive and choose Shrink Volume. I recommend allocating at least 50 GB. For more apps and files, go with 80 to 100 GB. Leave the new space as unallocated. Don't format it. Deepin will handle that automatically. Now restart your computer. During startup, press a boot key. It depends on your system. And the boot section, select your Ventoy USB drive, hit enter. From the Ventoy menu, choose Deepin 25 ISO and hit enter. Then select Install Deepin 25 with kernel 6.6. This is most stable for most users. If you face display issues, choose Install with a graphics driver. Choose your language. Click Next. Now here you'll see three options: Full Disk, Custom, and Advanced. For dual boot, select Custom, and if you want to install single boot, select Full Disk. If you click on Full Disk, you'll see this type of interface. Now here, choose your disk and click on Next. Installation will be started, and you will lose every data on your hard drive. We'll install dual boot. That's why we're choosing Custom. Find the unallocated space you created earlier. Click on the plus icon and create partitions. Click Confirm. Deepin automatically creates boot, root, swap, and data partitions. Perfect for beginners. Now click on Next. If you have NVIDIA graphics card, keep the driver option enabled if you have, and then click on Start Installation. The installation's been started. You gotta wait here 5 to 10 minutes over here. After installation completes, click on Reboot Now. Now remove the USB drive from your computer. On the first boot, enter username, computer name, and password. Then click on Next. Then choose your language, keyboard layout, time zone, region, and then click on Next. Wait a few minutes while Deepin configures everything. Log in with password. And welcome to Deepin OS 25. Now open Control Center, go to Personalization. Now here you can adjust display scaling size, font size, dock size, themes, then connect to Wi-Fi and check for system updates. Download and install updates, then reboot. This ensures better stability and security. Let's check if dual boot is working. After every restart, you will see boot menu. You can choose Deepin or Windows anytime. So yes, dual boot works perfectly. So that's it, guys. This was Deepin 25, a beautiful Windows-like Linux operating system. We explored interface, customization, and successfully installed it in dual boot step by step. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share this with anyone who wants a smooth Linux alternative. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.